The secret treasure inside you. Once, in a small village, there lived a boy named Kavi. He was known for his endless curiosity and love for adventure. One day, while cleaning his attic, he stumbled upon an old chest. It was covered in dust, and its lock was rusted, but there was something mysterious about it. Engraved on the chest were the words, "Only the wise and pure-hearted can unlock my treasures." Kavi tried everything to open the chest, but the lock wouldn't budge. Frustrated, he decided to seek help from a monk who lived on the outskirts of the village. The monk was revered for his wisdom and calm demeanor, and people often turned to him for guidance. When Kavi reached the monk, he placed the chest before him and said, "Wise monk, can you help me open this chest? I believe it holds something valuable." The monk smiled, looked at the chest, and replied, "I can help you, but first, you must complete 3 tasks." These tasks, Kavi agreed eagerly. The monk then gave him his first task. Climb the highest hill in the village and bring back something you consider precious. Early the next morning, Kavi set out to climb the hill. The journey was difficult. Thorns scratched his skin, and the climb left him exhausted. But when he reached the top, he was struck by the beauty of the view. The sunrise painted the sky in shades of gold, and a cool breeze filled the air. Kavi picked a small, smooth pebble from the ground, feeling it represented the serenity he experienced at the summit. He returned to the monk and presented the pebble. The monk nodded and gave him the second task. Help a stranger in need, but expect nothing in return. Later that day, Kavi saw an elderly man struggling to carry a heavy sack of grains. He hesitated at first but remembered the monk's words. Kavi carried the sack to the man's home, who thanked him profusely. Kavi felt an unusual warmth in his heart, realizing the joy of selfless service. The monk gave him the final task. Spend 1 entire day in silence. Observe the world around you without speaking or judging. This was the hardest task for Kavi. He was talkative and loved to express his thoughts. But he followed the monk's instructions. Throughout the day, he noticed the chirping of birds, the laughter of children, and even the struggles of people passing by. By the end of the day, Kavi felt a strange sense of calm and clarity. The next morning, he returned to the monk, eager to open the chest. The monk smiled and handed him the key. Kavi unlocked the chest, but to his surprise, it was empty, except for a mirror. Confused, he looked at the monk and asked, "Is this some kind of joke? There is nothing inside." The monk replied, "Look into the mirror, Kavi." "What do you see?" "I see myself," Kavi said, still puzzled. "That's the treasure," the monk explained. "Through the tasks, you have discovered patience, kindness, and self-awareness. These virtues are far more valuable than anything material. The true treasure lies within you." Kavi stood silent, reflecting on the monk's words. He realized that the journey had changed him, and indeed, he felt richer than ever before. Moral of the story: the greatest treasures in life are not material possessions but the virtues we cultivate within ourselves.